Hello, Rico Rain Singer. I'm going to teach you how to crack your lower back with the wide stretch. It's involved with your leg to be in the front and the other leg to be way in the back, and then you go for the twist. So let me show you how it's done. So this leg in the front, this leg way behind, stretch as far as you can, and then this one has to be wide. So you go back right here, so wide. This one stationary on the right side, and then here comes a crack. All you do is put your elbow right here and your hand on your thighs, and then you twist this way, looking this way. 1, 2, 3. Same for the other side. Wide stance. Your knee, try to make it parallel, and then the back thigh way back as possible, and then elbow right here, hand. Alright, please consult your doctor, physician, chiropractor. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.